Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting story to share with you all. So, I recently had a customer bring in their 2015 Hyundai Sonata, and boy, was it a doozy! You see, this car wasn't starting. It was brought to the shop with a tow truck, and the mechanics tried their best to fix it. But unfortunately, they couldn't get it running. That's when I stepped in. I found out that some wires for the brake switch had been cut by a rat or a mouse. I had to rewire it, and voila! The car started right away. After almost 2 months of sitting at the mechanic shop, today this car finally runs. I was thrilled, and the owner was also super happy. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome stories like this one. Until next time, stay safe and keep your cars running smoothly.